Hello, everybody. Hello. Welcome to Animation Capstone Week 5. That's right, Week 5. Welcome to the beginning week, and we're almost to the halfway point and almost over it, and we're really getting to some great things. We'll take a look at the audio, and really we're going to start building out the core of the work, and that's going to be happening like the first 30 seconds, the last 15 seconds, and then the middle, which is going to have a lot of different elements to it. So this week we're really going to start getting into those first 30 seconds and really building out since we have the title, we have the end card, now we're going to start building out the main core work and showing how to do that and creating that consistent viewpoint all the time. And that's what we're going to focus on, and really create a clean demo reel to really show to employers to get you hired, and that's really the point. But I figured since we're already starting to work with Premiere Pro, I figured I'd do a little bit of introducing of Premiere since we're going to get really heavy into it this week and talk about some elements about it. So just to let you know, we do have a discussion this week, so do keep that in mind. You have a discussion that's due on Tuesday, your initial post, and then your reply post due on Saturday. We also have lectures still. The live lectures should be posted along with your rubrics for your assignments this week. So if you have any questions, comments, concerns, let me know. I got your back as always. Other than that, let's talk about Premiere a little bit. Let's get into details about that. So yeah, Premiere Pro, that's going to be the program that we're going to be using to create these demo reels. Now, we might use Photoshop for some specific images or some other things that you want to use. That's okay, but we're going to be making it in Premiere Pro. That's what we're going to be doing with these demo reels. It's a great program, has a lot of good uses and some elements that can be tough to work with, but as long as you understand it, it's a really simple and easy to use. It's just kind of using the advanced elements that can get a little bit difficult, but with some time and practice, those are easy to master as well. Now, Adobe Premiere features. There's a lot of great features that it has since we're going to be using it a lot. And I know you've had a lot of training with it already, so this is going to work out great. The good thing about Adobe Premiere is it can import any footage from any file format. So if you want to throw any type of file format and convert it here, you can do that. It's real simple and easy to do. You can also edit and trim footage with precision. You can really add transitions and add animation and video effects without any problems and really plan out every single part of your demo reel from clip to clip. Another thing is that you can do is you can edit audio and sound effects. You don't need to bring it into a sound mixer or another ulterior program. You can do it all in here. And that's what's great about Premiere Pro. It has all those elements. And you can do a lot more with After Effects and Adobe stock images since you're using their systems already. So that way you don't have to worry about trying to purchase anything from third party or to use any templates or file formats that might work out. Adobe's going to have it already. So a lot of great things that it has. Now, there might be some challenges with Adobe, and it may be more on like the developer side from compared to a more artist perspective, but sometimes there are some aspects you got to be careful about. Now, there are some memory leaks if you use Photoshop files and kind of import them in there sometimes. It can do that, so just be careful how you do that, and then your files become like super ballooned, so just double check about that. Another thing to take a look is the QuickTime export. When you're exporting files like this, it can get a little long, so just be careful about exporting QuickTime. Also, the title crawl has bugs with it that moves backwards on initial load sometimes. Rare situation, but it does happen. So double check if you use title crawl animations. And then also just check out the Get to Back to Basics tutorials. They'll just get you in line with anything that has some challenges with Adobe. That'll work out perfectly. So yeah, great stuff overall. Not bad, not bad. All right. But other than that, that's all I got. Real quick, easy to get you working right off the bat on your stuff. If you have any questions, let me know. We do have a written assignment, or we have a course project assignment that's due at the end. We'll go over it and your discussion post on Tuesday for your lecture as always. And that's pretty much it. Just easy piece of cake work. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, let me know. I got your back. Other than that, that's all I got. I hope everybody has a great day and a great week. Be safe as always. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, let me know. All right, everyone. Enjoy. Have a great week and be safe as always. I'll see everybody for lecture on Tuesday. Enjoy, everybody.